For 10 years now, fun has been the secret sauce that makes School of HONK thrive.
Whatever else is going on in our world, we band together every Sunday to make spontaneous, joyful music, just for fun.
And wow, did we have a lot of fun this year.
We reveled at Porch Fest,
Shimmied at Halloween parades, and delighted in the amazing young talent that joined our popular summer camp.
But we also found new ways to make fun.
Inspired by our pandemic experiments, we brought back mini bands,
many of which performed at our springtime Friendsgiving concert.
Our wonderful dancers returned to center stage with more dance parties and movement demos. And happily, lots of new dancers were inspired to join in.
our annual retreat stretched our imaginations with the honk flotilla, instrumental choirs, a show of hidden talents, and an epic contest of rock, paper, scissors.
Of course, we all enjoyed HONKfest 2024, where we got to parade, perform, and even solo on the main stage.
It was also our first chance to play along with Bloke Emotion, a promising new music school from Austin, Texas, inspired by our success, doing our kind of thing in their own spectacular way.
We also expanded our steering committee and our mentor group.
Provided new opportunities for all community members to step in with their ideas, skills, and inspiration.
We added tightropes, struts, and shouts to our songbook.
And best of all, we welcomed new bandmates practically every Sunday.
To keep the fun going, we need to cover our expenses, including rent, insurance, maintaining our cool polka dot van, and keeping our loaner instruments ready to play.
With your help, we can keep the fun going.
Welcome new friends,
And inspire the community.
note by note,
Step by step.
Each and every Sunday.